Leveraging Maximo to manage your company's assets has never been easier with Maximo Advanced Asset Management from Total Resource Management. Our turnkey cloud-based EAM solution provides full Maximo capability at a fraction of the cost and time that it takes to implement a traditional solution. Maximo AAM is delivered in the cloud, and it comes pre-configured based on best practice role-based business rules and workflows that reduce implementation costs on day one and help you go live sooner. With our game-changing approach, you can quickly implement Maximo AAM, eliminating the need for an expensive and lengthy implementation. Maximo AAM features built-in asset management and maintenance KPIs, dashboards, and critical metrics to drive business improvements and ROI, along with templates and tools for data loading to ensure consistent entry and reliable analysis. Using Maximo AAM improves performance of assets and tools, helps you better utilize resources, and provides worst actors calculations to help you manage your business more effectively. It allows users to access asset-related data from smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices, and can even operate in disconnected environments for better productivity in the field. With seamless integrations to our full suite of value-add software included, Maximo AAM also offers a practical approach to condition-based maintenance with TRM IoT Edge. With Maximo AAM, you get the full capabilities of a custom Maximo at about 1/10 of the cost, dramatically improving your ROI. Call us or visit us online to request your demo today.